Hi, Namaskar. Myself Jiten Pathak, and today again we are here to discuss some problem. So my topic is differential equation. Let's start. What is differential equation? What is degree? What is the order of the differential equation? And how can we solve the problem of differential equation? Now starts. My topic is differential equation. Let's start. This is the content differential equation. Differential equation. So let's start. What is differential equation? First of all, I am talking about the differential equation. What is differential equation? Before I am discussing differential equation, I am dividing the topic in two parts. First part is differential, and this is the equation. This is the clear. This is any equation. Equation containing independent variable, dependent variable with the differential coefficient called differential equation. Now, what is differential equation? It means equation containing uh, dependent variable, independent variable, and differential coefficient. It means dy upon dx is known as differential coefficient. So, what is differential equation? Now, this is dy upon dx and this is x plus y. This equation containing dy upon dx, this is differential coefficient. Differential coefficient and x and y are xy are variable. This is dependent variable. So equation containing differential coefficient and dependent or independent variable called differential equation. Another we can write also y1 equals to x plus y. This is also differential equation. It can be written y dash equals to x plus y. Y dash denotes dy upon dx or y1 denotes dy upon dx. This is called differential equation. Now I am talking about degree and order. Let's start. What is degree of the differential equation? Order. First of all, order of differential equation. What is order? Order means highest derivatives. Highest derivative of the equation is known as order of the equation. Let's start. Suppose that this is d2y upon dx square plus x dy upon dx plus y equals to 0. This is any differential equation of highest derivative is this is highest derivative is this is second derivatives order 2 because this differential equation is differentiated at two times. It means highest derivative is 2. So order of differential equation is 2. Now I am talking about degree. What is degree? Let's start. Degree of differential equation. Equation, differential equation. Suppose that dy upon dx equal to x plus y. This is a differential equation of order 1. First order is 1 because this equation is differentiated at 1 times, so order is 1. A highest highest order highest order of the equation containing degree is known as degree of the differential equation. It means this equation highest degree is 1. There is no highest degree. It means this is degree is 1. It means we can see the order of highest differential coefficient is known as degree of the differential equation. Suppose that any equation, another example, suppose that d2 y upon dx square plus x dy upon dx equal to 0. This is another differential equation, and this equation containing order is q. And what is degree of the equation? This is containing 1. It means degree is 1. So we can easily understand by this equation, and we can find order and degree. Now come to the point, how to solve differential equation. How to solve differential equation. Now solution of differential equation of solution. Suppose that first of all we are first rule, equation containing dependent or independent variable. First rule is variable separable rule. How can we solve variable separable rule? So let's start. Suppose that equation dy upon dx equals to x y. This is question dy upon dx equal to xy. What is the solution of this equation? So first of all, now dx is here, we can transpose in right hand side, and y is pose in left hand side. So now solution. It can be written, equation 1 can be written dy upon dx, dy upon y and x dx. This is the variable separable rule. Now integrating both sides. If we integrate on both sides, the equation can be changing. This is dy upon dx, sorry, dy upon dy y, and this is integration x dx. This equation, this is log y, so this is log y, and this is x square upon 2 plus of c. This is the solution of the equation. It can be written also. Now it can be also written, log is transformed in right side, so y equals to e to the power x square upon 2 plus of c. It can be written also. This is also answer, this is also answer. So this method is called variable separable method. In next video I can again discuss some more problem. Namaskar. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon to नेक्स्ट वीडियो. तो मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और लाइक और कमेंट करिए. फिर हम नेक्स्ट मेथड हम लोग पढ़ेंगे, होमोजीनियस इक्वेशन, एग्जैक्ट डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन, फिर हम लोग पढ़ेंगे लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन एंड सो ऑन. नमस्कार.